Good afternoon, ngayon po ay July 15, 2026 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 15, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, July 15, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 15, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, July 15, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of July 15, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.